Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn new concept that is a layer properties. So what is exactly layer? I'm going to explain first. So let's open the drawing. So I'll open this very first one. So now you can see in this drawing, usually in AutoCAD what we uh, will see like only white and black color. But now in this drawing, as you can see, we have used so many colors. Now for furniture I have given the orange color, then again here some grass or like greenery type it is there, so I have given green color. For naming I have given the blue color, so accordingly I have chosen the color here. So for wall I have kept white by default, that it will come that as it is. I have mentioned that color. So how to distinguish the color and how to do these all the settings, I'm going to explain in this video. So why to use layer, that I'll explain first. So why, suppose if you want to make print separately, for the furniture layout separate print you want, or for detail plan you want separate print. So now as you can see in this plan, the drawing it is with naming, again with dimension, again with furniture. But I don't want name and dimension, only I want to show the furniture. So in that case, what you will do? Suppose if you will not use the layers, so suppose if I am selecting furniture now, or anything, if I'll select, suppose I want to show only furniture for the print. So if I will select whole plan, as you can see, I'll create a copy for that. So select full plan and then select create a copy. So I'll copy somewhere else here. So now you can see, once if I will create copy, now to take printout, what I should do now, I should delete each and every name as well as dimension wherever I have given, and then we will take the print here, right? So this will take more time for you to do this all the things. So now we will delete this, and then again we can take print here also, or else we will copy somewhere and then we will take that particular printout. So this is the one method, but it will take more time. Now this is a very simple plan, that's why easily we have deleted all those unnecessary data. But now I'm going to explain you very much important concept, that is a layer. If you will learn the layers, that will be very useful and beneficial for you for your further future project. So here I'll explain how to do. So already I have given the layers, so where you will get, already I have explained those concept, whatever introduction about the AutoCAD, what is the drawing tools, what is the modification tool. Again we have learned in last class how to give the text type, multi-line text and single line text. Now today's video is basically on the layers. So layers, how it is and how exactly we have to work on the layers, that concept we are going to learn now. So let's start. So here already I have given the layers. So once if you will go for the layer menu, we have to check how many layers you have given for that. Suppose any reference image it will come, or reference drawing from site, any engineers they will give, or you have created any project, you have to first check the layers, how many layers you have used or they have used in that particular project. So let's open this. Once if you will select layer properties, there what it will happen, so how many layers are there, that it will show in this. See, as you can see here, we have used door, furniture, text, wall, again balcony, and by default for the wall. So total here I have used 6 layer. So as I told, here three settings will come. First is here, that bulb means you can on turn on the layer or turn off the layer. Which layer you want, that you can keep it is on, and if you don't want that particular layer, you can off it. Next, here it is freeze unfreeze. For that particular moment, you can freeze the particular layer which you don't want to move, or you don't want to do the modification. This is layer lock and unlock. If you don't want to change anything, this freeze is like hide and unhide. Lock means that it will be visible here, but you can lock for that particular moment. So these are the very important setting I will explain now. So here we can apply the color. How to apply the color, that also I will show. So, so here total 6 layers I have used. Next, here also you will get the shortcut for that layer. So you can see here, once if I will click here, shortcut for the layers it will get. So here total 6 number of layers we have used, and I have given the color. Suppose if you want to replace the color, you can select that particular layer and you can choose from here any color wherever you want, you can choose. Suppose if I will choose as a red, okay. As you can see, I have changed balcony layer as a red. So wherever we have applied that particular layer, it will change automatically. So this is the very much important advantage for this. So once if we will change the layer automatically, wherever we have used that particular layer, it will get changed throughout the project. So I don't want to show this. I want it as a green. I'll keep it as a green only. Next, where at very first time I have explained this concept. If I want to uh, take print for the only furniture, then what we have to do for the remaining layers? Now I want to show only walls and furniture. So in that case, here this text layer I need to turn off. So here you will get option for the turn on the layer and off. So we have to off that particular layer. So once if you will off, see automatically the layer it will get invisible. So that moment you have to select that particular plan, and then you have to create a copy here. So in this case, we have deleted the particular layer and then we have created the copy. But now you can see here, easily we have turned off only by clicking only one click. We have to, we will get the particular print. So here only furniture and walls are visible. After copying, you can turn on the particular layer. So as you can see in the main diagram, it is as it is whatever layer we have turned off. Means here no need to delete, just we have to turn off for that particular moment. Now you can observe the copied one. Here it is remains same, as we don't want the text and dimension. It didn't come for this movement. So this is the second advantage for this. As I told, once if you will change any one layer, whatever color or modification you will do throughout the project, it will get appear. Next, you can turn off and turn on the layer whenever you want to utilize for that. And third use of the layer is here freeze and unfreeze. Means suppose if I don't want to show the furniture for that moment, so what I will do, I will freeze the furniture like this. It is like it will be there, but only for that particular moment it will not be visible. Now if I will on again, see throughout wherever I have used there, it will get invisible, visible, hide, unhide, like that we can tell it is. And then uh, next concept is lock and unlock. Suppose if I will lock the furniture, as you can see it will get little blur effect. So why it is lock? So suppose if I will try to select here the lock symbol, it will visible. Where you can use, suppose if your drawing will become too much complicated, in that case suppose if you want to do the modification for the remaining one, so which you don't want to do the modified, or you don't want to do the modification for particular thing, that things we have to lock, and then remaining we can select. As you can see, bedroom, this one, wall, I can select everything. We can select except the furniture. So these are the very important uh, commands we have to use for the uh, project if you are doing any project like site planning, any plan, elevation, sectional drawing, you are doing detail plan, you are doing furniture layout, electric, for any background. Suppose if you are using AutoCAD drawing, uh, let it be, it will be complicated or huge project. If you will use layer, that will be very much beneficial or useful for you. I hope you have understand why I want to explain this concept. This is a very important concept, so don't forget to set layer before starting any project. I hope you have understand this. If any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for the watching.